Hey, what's up you guys? Just giving you an update on this power bank charger. It took 2.5 hours to fully charge, and it's, if I open it and hit the little power button, you can see it's still got all the bars on it. So, but another interesting thing, if you take it outside, it looks like it's about to rain outside. It'll actually start charging even with it being overcast, which I thought was pretty cool. So we'll take it outside and do that. But as far as fully charging it with the cable first, it took about 2.5 hours. And that was about 3 days ago. I charged my phone on it and I charged my GoPro. Both were almost dead. My phone battery lasts for about 3 days. Both were almost completely dead, and this thing still has a complete charge on it. So it's holding up on battery life. Even the light is still doing its thing. So let's take it outside and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's charging in the sunlight or natural light. Alright, so let's go do that. Alright, so here I am outside on my truck. Now we're going to zoom in so you can see that. I'm going to open it and see the light turn green. And see this one's, it's flashing. It's flashing, which means it's charging. Let's go ahead and open it all the way up. So what that means is that it's using the sunlight, and it looks like it's about to storm. And it's actually still using it to charge, which is pretty cool. And this thing lasted, like I said, I fully charged it about 3 days ago, and it took about 2.5 hours to fully charge it. And then I charged my phone and I charged my GoPro on it, both of them through the night, and it's been sitting on the table since. So I just wanted to see the battery life on it, and it's a little power button over there. So it's holding up. So with that being said, this really cool handy dandy thing here, I'm going to recommend that you go get one. I'll drop a link in the description for you. And remember, I did check on that. It said it was charging shipping. It was $6 shipping. They did respond back to me, and it was anything over $45, I think, was free shipping. But seeing as how that they're giving this away for $19.99 instead of $49.99, they're giving 30 bucks off. Obviously, you're going to pay $6 shipping. Still not bad, but I'll leave the link down in the description and the code to get $30 off for this really cool device that I'm going to continue to use is outdoor. So I appreciate it, guys. I'll talk to you on the next one.